Now, Central Oregon's local alert weather with Chief Meteorologist Bob Shaw.
Good Tuesday morning. It is now 11 minutes past the hour on a really nice morning here on the high desert. Granted, it's chilly enough, but the average lows that we're looking at across the high desert. Under clear skies, our streets are nice and clear, and it looks like they'll stay that way for much of the day. In fact, it won't be until this evening and getting into tonight when we're going to see that change, and I'll show that to you here in just a moment. So for the day ahead, look for our streets to stay in good shape. We do have spots of ice on just about all of our mountain roads, some a little worse than others, so be careful with that. Carry chains or traction tires if you're headed over the Cascades. We do have a major storm moving through the heartland into the eastern seaboard. It does look like we'll get our own storm pushing into the west here. It is centered off the British Columbia coast, and this front that's associated with this is already starting to push a few thin clouds into the state of Washington. In fact, early this morning, they had some scattered showers to the north of Puget Sound. Well, for us, it's going to be a fairly clear day, and then that front is going to change the picture for us fairly rapidly. Over the next 24 hours, in fact, over the next 12 hours, you'll see a significant change as this low pressure center drops its way in. That winter weather advisory goes into place at 4 p.m. today. Not likely we'll see the effects of this system until tonight, and then it will stay in place until 10 p.m. tomorrow as this winter weather works its way into the west coast. For Central Oregon, we will turn fair just in time for Thanksgiving, so it looks like Thanksgiving Day is going to be really, really nice. Looking at temperatures scattered through the 20s for Central Oregon as we get the day started. Not much wind out of the south right now, and southerly winds will stay with us through the day. They don't get very strong at all, 5 to 10, maybe 15 miles an hour, and then turning gentler overnight. Look for highs today to be at or a little bit above average. Most of us will be in the mid to upper 40s. Some areas will hit the low 50s, so a very pleasant day with plenty of sunshine ahead. We are looking at that storm working its way in tonight and staying with us through much of the day tomorrow. Now, this will break up Wednesday night, and that means Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, is going to be fairly pleasant. We'll be in the mid-40s with plenty of sunshine, and we are going to hang on to a lot of those nice conditions going through the weekend ahead.